Greetings to all viewers. This is Sonam Singh. In this video, we'll discuss the plan of English essay. Let's see here. At very first, we'll write the basic entries. Okay, means date, class, subject, topic, period, and time duration. So here we will write the date, class, subject, English essay, period, first, second, third, fourth, as you wish. Time duration 30 or 35 minutes and topic. After that, we'll write the general aims. In this point, we'll write 4 to 5 points. Okay. So let's see here at very first. First point is to develop the student to exchange their thoughts in English. Second point, to enable them to read and write correct English. Third point, to enable student to develop command over English language. Fourth point is to enhance students' abilities to use English language. After that, we'll write specific aims. Specific aims are classified in three categories: knowledge, understanding, and application. We'll write 2 points in knowledge, 2 points in understanding, and 2 points in application. So let's see here. In knowledge, first point is students will be able to organize their thoughts and ideas in according with the accepted uses. Second, student will be able to gain the detailed information about pollution. In understanding, first point is students are able to develop their imagination and expression in writing. Second point is students are able to understand about pollution. In application, first point, the student will be able to construct simple essay. Second point, the students will be able to develop sentence with the help of picture of their own. After that, we'll write teaching aids. In teaching aids, a picture of showing the topic, chart, flashcard, models, etc. After that, we'll write previous knowledge. In previous knowledge, students have general knowledge about the water and air pollution, etc. Now we'll write the introductory question. In introductory question, we'll make 2 columns: pupil teacher activity and student activity. You will write the correct spelling of student. There was some mistake. Okay. In introductory question, we'll ask 3 to 4 questions. Last question should be problematic. Okay. So let's see here. First question, what are the essential things for human being? Answer is the essential things for human beings are water, air, food, etc. Then the second question, what will happen if we use impure water and air? The answer is we will be ill. Then the third question is, what is the reason that air and water are not pure? The answer is the reason is pollution. Then the fourth question, what do you understand by pollution? This is the problematic question. Okay. Then we'll write statement of aim. In statement of aim, today we'll write an essay on the topic pollution under English essay. Because we'll learn here, write an essay. Okay. After that, we'll write the presentation. In this table, we'll make 5 columns: teaching point, pupil teacher activity, student activity, device and method, and blackboard work. In teaching point, oral composition, pupil teacher activity, pupil teacher asks question related to the topic, what is pollution. In student activity, students are responding. And device and method, question answer method. Okay. After that, in teaching point, we'll write introduction and pupil teacher activity. Pupil teacher explain the topic. In student activity, student will listen carefully. A device and method, explanation method, and blackboard column will write introduction. Let's see here. Okay. After that, we'll ask another question. What are the types of pollution? Students are responding are problematic. Okay. Then the teaching point, types of pollution. Types of pollution. And here the pupil teacher activities. Pupil teacher will explain. And student activity, student listen attentively, device and method, explanation method, and blackboard column, types of pollution. Let's see here. Then we ask next question, what are the types of pollution? Here we will write types of pollution. Then we ask again a question, what are the effects of pollution on living beings? In student activity, students are responding, device and method, question answer method, and in blackboard column, effect on living beings. Then the next teaching point, effect on non-living beings. Pupil teacher activity, pupil teacher explain the topic. And the student activity, student listen carefully, device and method, explanation method, and blackboard column, effect on non-living beings. Then the last point is conclusion. Teaching point will write conclusion, and pupil teacher activity, pupil teacher explain the conclusion, and student activity, student will listen carefully, device and method, explanation method, and blackboard column we will write the conclusion. After that we'll write the blackboard summary. So here we'll write the all that teaching point which we'll mention in teaching point and blackboard work column. Okay. Let's see here. Introduction, types of pollution, effect on living beings, effect on non-living beings, and conclusion. After that we will write the writing and supervision work. So here we'll mention the pupil teacher will ask the students to note down the blackboard summary and she will supervise the class. After that we'll write the recapitulation. In recapitulation we'll ask 4 to 5 questions. Let's see here. Here we'll mention at least 5 points. Then the last step is homework. So here we will give the homework. Write an essay on the topic my school.